Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to discuss a couple of things from the Marquita Loop GM to some of the new releases that are coming out. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay besties, the first handbag that I want to go over, this is releasing June 28th, and yes, I do have my cell phone, so if I'm looking down, that's what I'm doing. This is called the LV Speedy Soft 30 Unprint, okay, and it's called Unprint Arizona. Let's break this down. Let's go over this handbag, and I'm going to tell you some things that I would have added, and you guys let me know if that basically what I'm adding would that take away from the handbag. Okay, first, I noticed the size. This is going to be a Speedy 30. If you think the Speedy 25 is a huge handbag for you, you're not gonna like this. Okay, and let's talk. Unprint leather is most definitely heavier than canvas. Okay, so that's two strikes right there for you guys. But I also want to point out the smaller monogram print. That's what I'm excited about. I love that they went with the smaller monogram print. I am loving all of the tags, the bag tags on this handbag, which is a plus. I love that. You can also add, you know, the engraving of your initials, but with this, I would not add anything to this tag at all. You know, you can get the hot stamp. That's what I'm implying. I would not add any hot stamp to this handbag. To me, it is amazing. It's classy. It screams wealth. It screams I'm coming through. You see me, but you don't see me, but I know it's a luxury handbag. Do you guys get it? Okay, gold hardware. Good job, LV. I really couldn't even see them adding silver with this color, but I want to point this out. No matter what, LV, please always on the Speedy handbags moving forward, add the extended zipper. It helps us to get items in and to take items out. No matter what, moving forward, okay, LV, keep the extended zipper on these Speedy handbags. That is a bonus and a plus. Of course, it's a bandolier, so it's going to come with a strap, a detachable, and also, guys, an adjustable strap. But I do feel like the leather strap is too thin for a Speedy 30, the size of a Speedy 30 handbag. I've always felt this way. Now, let's talk about this. The launch date is June 28th, and the price is $3,900. Okay, so this is going to be over $4,000. The size Speedy 30, I do understand, and also it's unprint leather, so it's really nothing I can just say to argue about the price for this handbag. Inside, they are giving us microfiber material. I love that they went with the same color interior as the outside. The handbag is already doing enough. Now, the bag tag. Let me know, guys, if you feel like this will take away. What if the bag tag was canvas? Like a monogram canvas piece. Except for just the leather bag tag, what if they added some canvas to this? Some monogram canvas to this? Would that take away from how classy this handbag is? I absolutely love it. I adore it. It's just I'm not a huge fan of the Speedy 30. I am honestly now getting used to carrying a Speedy 30 around. I have the reverse monogram, and I think that plays a big part in it because it's a reverse monogram. Not the reverse monogram that I want. It doesn't have the black leather, But you guys let me know, how do you feel about this handbag? Again, launched June 28th. LV Speedy Soft 30 on front, Arizona. I'm looking forward to it. I just feel like they just dropped the ball just a little bit by not adding. I know the Speedies, usually the Speedy 30s don't have the extended zipper, but as stated, moving forward, I think that is something that they just need to implement in all of the Speedy handbags, okay? You guys let me know how you feel, and especially about the canvas bag tag. Would that take away, or would you think that will add to the handbag, okay? Let me know what you think. The next thing that I want to speak on, I received this picture so many times. I mean, so many times. I was going to talk about it on last week, but I was showing you guys the handbags and the shoes in my collection. This here. The toiletries, oh my goodness, with the animals. Guys, this has already been launched, released in Asia. I don't think this is coming to the US. I'm not sure. If you are interested, reach out to your CA. You guys know how I feel about it. I just think this whole collection just screams depression. It just makes me sad. Now, the rabbit is a little bit happy. It's a little bit more upbeat. But, yes. But, I do love the color pink from the bunny on this monogram print, guys. I do love it. It sticks out. I'm not saying I will purchase. I am just saying that the pink, the bold color pink on this monogram, on this canvas, it does stick out. It's very bold and I like it. Not the toiletry. I love the color up against the monogram print, okay? But again, guys, do you see what they are doing to reverse monogram? Why can't they just simply give us a toiletry 26? Okay? A toiletry 26, that's what I want. I want the bigger toiletry because I love to carry it as a clutch. Give us a toiletry 26 in reverse monogram. Please, LV. Stop putting these animals on these items. I'm not saying anything. If you love it, hey, go for it. It's just something that I wouldn't carry. It's something that I probably would purchase for my daughter if she was into the brand. But I wanted to speak on this because I received so many messages about it, and I also one of the besties dropped it in my Facebook group. So I said I was going to speak on it, but this is it. This was released in Asia, so it's already launched. If you don't know anyone personally that can get this for you, if you are interested, reach out to your CA. If you have an amazing CA, I'm telling you, they can get their hands on it, okay? But again, they are messing up. I'm not going to say they're messing up the brand, but they need to take a halt. Stop. It's too much. We already saw this line. It's enough. We had to deal with the handbags already. Leave the SLGs alone. So guys, I don't think we are getting this. And if we are, guys, correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know. This is from what I heard, I received. I reached out, you know, to my sources to ask, and they said this was released in Asia. US isn't getting it, okay? Let me know. I don't know. Okay, so guys, I want to speak on this. This truly hurts me because I put my name on this handbag. I named this handbag after me, okay? Let's talk about the Louis Vuitton Marquita Reverse Monogram Loop GM. And I just want to cry because it's too much, okay? Let me show you some pictures and let's go over what I'm receiving. And there's really nothing I can do, guys. There's really nothing I can do. Besties, I almost forgot. Before I move on to the Marquita Loop GM, I have to give you some more sad news. And some of you guys already know this. I had to get confirmation. I will have pictures from this collection very soon so I can share. If you have this, you guys know the Cognac collection is coming out. If you have the Speedy, guys, I was going to sell this because I didn't use it, but I love it. And I was trying to get rid of handbags that, like, I honestly don't use. But I am going to hold on to this beauty. And like I said, I'm not going to trap it in a certain season. I am going to find an outfit and I am going to rock this. So no, guys, please stop emailing. You are not getting this. Now that I know for sure it is not going to be re-released with this collection. So yes, the Cognac collection is coming out. They are basically focusing on smaller handbags, other handbags, but the Speedy is not amongst them, okay? It's confirmed. Blurry pictures, I will show you guys better pictures once I receive them, but it is confirmed. You will not be seeing this, okay, with the collection. So if you have it, hold on to it. And if you want to purchase, guys, check the pre-love market now. Check it now before this collection comes out, because guys, it's going to go up even higher. A lot of people, they don't know that this isn't coming back out. So when the collection releases and when it launches and when we all find out, the LV community finds out that this isn't coming out again, the pre-love market is going to eat that up. The price is going to go up even more. And I know right now, guys, it's high. It's hard to find. It's hard to find. So I wanted to add that in there. Once those pictures come to me via text message, I am going to share. But please get it out your head. We are not getting the Speedy 25 again in the Cognac collection. But it is coming. Smaller handbags. Smaller crossbody handbags. What else if I can think at the top of my head? Once I get the pictures, guys, we'll go over it, okay? I don't want to butcher anything or mess up anything. Once I have the pictures, I can break it down and tell you guys, okay? So now let's move on to the Marquita reverse loop gem. Now, I've been seeing these pictures float around from my group on Facebook. People sending me DMs. I received emails, but I also received the same pictures about the graceful PM, the graceful MM, the artsy handbag. So I'm wondering, is it just a hobo thing? How we hold the bag up once we fill our bags up. I'm wondering if it's something, is it because it's heavy? I mean, is that the reason that the canvas is creasing the way it is? But look at these pictures. I'm only going to show 2 because I didn't want to go all the way back through my DM. Guys, this has been going on for a year. I just kept silent about it because I was like, maybe they just got a bad handbag. They can just take it back. But when it gets to be 3, 4, and 5 people, LV, you dropped the ball. Something's going on. So I monitor my handbag basically every other week. I check my handbag, and I hardly even use my handbag now because I'm afraid that once I fill it up, that it's going to cause damage to the canvas. And also sitting in my closet, guys, I make sure I stuff it. I don't want to give no reason to why I have to go into LV and act crazy about this handbag, okay? So look at these pictures and let me know what you think. Guys, that's crazy. It's bad. It is bad. Like, that is horrible. But to know that it's just not the Marquita reverse loop gem. It's the graceful PM as well. I just told them, take it straight in ASAP. Don't hold it. Don't keep it another day. And also, people are having issues with the artsy handbag, which is discontinued. So this has been something that has been going on, okay? Something is going on and now it's worse, okay? But this is mine. Guys, it's stuffed. I keep it stuffed no matter what, okay? Smooth canvas. I honestly watch, like I said, I monitor mine, and I'm wondering, is it because of the weight? Is it creasing? Do they not have enough inside? Is it too much inside and it's adding weight? Where is the creasing coming from? Some say when they receive theirs, they ordered online, and when they receive it, it was already like that. I have a few people say it happened over time. You guys, let me know what you think. And I'm going to be honest with you. I have a handbag, a canvas handbag. I have been honest with you guys. A Speedy 25 canvas handbag. I am looking at it now. I am going to reach up and get it for you. But I kept it in the box so long. Honestly, I totally forgot I had it. And once I took it out, it was creased. And when I say it's a permanent crease, I've tried the blow dryer method. I tried stuffing it, keeping it stuffed, guys, and the crease is still there. So let me show you what I'm speaking on. And it's like the same issues are happening. So I don't know if it's because I left it folded in the box too long, or if they actually sent this handbag to me like this. But it went past the 30 days, and no, I didn't complain about it. So I am trying to tell you guys, please, please, please check your handbags, okay? Check your handbags. And it's sad because we go into these boutiques, we order our handbags, and some of us feel comfortable having it shipped to our home. So we don't really know what they are going to ship to our home. They can go to the bag and change out the handbags. We don't know. So when we go into boutiques, we check the bag. They go to the bag, they box it up, and we feel more comfortable knowing that we inspected the handbag. But after some time, where are the creases coming from? Let me show you my Speedy 25. Okay, so Bessie, here is my Speedy 25. I'm not sure if you see it, but guys, I feel it. It feels like a vein. It feels like a vein. I don't know if you guys see it or not, okay? It's right here. And don't look at my broken nail. I'm going to get that fixed tomorrow. Concentrate on this, okay? But yes, it's like a vein that's going through. Like I said, I have it stuffed now. I've tried everything to get rid of this crease. It's also on the opposite side as well. Now, mine isn't as bad as what's pictured. You see, guys? It's just the whole alignment. Everything is just horrible. It's horrible. And like I said, I didn't bring it in. I can go and complain about it. I'm not sure what they can do. I let the 30 days. It went way past 30 days. Like, this was sitting in the box. So I'm wondering if it just came because it was folded down. You know how it is with the Speedies. When they ship it, is it because it was just folded down in the box too long? Or if they just actually gave it to me like this. We don't know. So guys, if you have the Marquita Reverse Monogram Loop GM, go in your collection, go in your closet, wherever you hold your handbags, go and get it out the dust bags and inspect it ASAP. Check the front, check the back, check the sides, and underneath. Please check your handbags. And I hate that this is named after me now, because it's like I pushed for some of you guys to order, and it's like it's a disappointment. It really is. So I do check my handbags, and I want to bring awareness. I hate it. I want to bring awareness. Please, please, please check your handbags tonight, today. Reach out to your CAs, take pictures, and get the problem resolved. Don't wait. Don't be like me. Take care of this ASAP. So besties, oh man, I hate I had to do this type of video, but let me know what you think about the first Speedy, the Unprint Leather Speedy, the Speedy 30 that's coming out June 28th. Very, very beautiful handbag. And let me know how you feel about that extended zipper. Should they add an extended zipper to that Speedy 30? And since you did not receive the Cognac Speedy 25 bandolier when it was released, are you looking on the pre-love market, or are you just going to leave it alone? Let me know, what are you going to do? And again, let me know about the Marquita Reverse Monogram Loop GM if you are having this issue. And for those that provided the pictures, this is from my group and also via DM. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for sending these to me, because I'm so glad I'm able to share and show. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time. Mwah. Bye-bye.